Hi.
Hi.
So I recently seen you have installed a really very beautiful home lift, and that too it's between the staircase. So I just want to know, can you just give a brief overview about yourself, and then we can discuss on this part, how you decided to install a home lift.
Yeah, my name is Nidhi Agarwal and I'm an IT professional and now I'm the proud owner of CB's Lift. So basically when we started designing our house in 2022, so we hired an architect for designing our house. So you have seen that our house is very quite open, spacious. So we were looking for a lift which is quite open, means open from all the sides, four sides, window open and easy to use, friendly because I have a kid of 6-year-old. So first of all, I was looking for a safety features. For elevator means basically safety because 6-year-old kid can go up and down anytime. So safety, aesthetic wise, it should complement my house and simple to use because grandparents also live with us. So we were searching for few lifts, but when we approached to Cebis, we find what we were looking at, means what we were thinking of, exactly we find in Cebis, and it is customizable also. So then basically we are because we have designed our house European style, so we want between the staircase. So it should look aesthetic, it should complement our house. So we go with four side windows, glass window, we go for Cebis because we like the design
Yeah,
basically.
definitely, and also it's a screw trap technology, so it's one of the safest, I
Yeah,
guess.
and I also want to point out that we live in Sweden for last 10 years
Oh,
and
great.
Cebis is a Swedish company. We didn't know at that time when we chose Cebis, but after knowing that and we lived over there, so we know the quality the Swedish company provides. So we were satisfied because we are going with the Swedish company and the quality, aesthetically it is also looking good. So we thought to let it go, give it a go.
Great, man. How long it has been since you have been using our lift?
It's been like only 6 months so far, but
Okay,
we haven't. There's no issue so far,
great.
so we are happy with that as of now.
Great. And what about the installation time? Like when the lift was being
Installation
installed?
is very easy. Means like we don't have to go for a pit. Also, there's no machine room, so it's like a for home. I think it is quite a good choice because you don't have to go for a machine room. There's no pit. We have to go for it, and I think within 15 days or 20 days it is installed. One point I also mentioned, like since it is open, some people feel claustrophobic. Myself also feel claustrophobic. So in this there's means I'm safe over there, and if my kid also go, I know where he's in the floor. If he needs me also, he can call me. So means like if it is open, you can see who is going up and down. So there's no means you are by in my mind I'm safe.
Definitely. And also we do have an emergency call button inside the lift. So if anyone is getting trapped or if you know.
Yeah, means if a kid is also playing, I can call him out, like because since it is open and it give a panoramic view also. When any guest comes, they love the lift. Everyone asks us from where you have purchased the lift.
Great, man.
So they compliment our house, so it feels good.
Great. So then coming to the next question, what would be the suggestion you would be giving to other customers or to the audience who is looking to install a home lift at their place? So like any
Like at
safety
least give a
tips?
try. Means I know means it depends on your budget. Means it's like every person has a different budget. If you have a budget, but you can at least go to the showroom, give it a try, customize it. You can talk to the you can talk to the manager. I'm sure they will love the design.
Great, man. And coming on back to our part, how did you discover about this? Like you got the info from website, or is there someone contacted to you, or it was
I
just the
think from
architect?
our architect
So
only. I think
architect directly got
architect
it.
gave us 3-4 options. So my husband went to 3-4 options, and he likes the Cebis lift the most. So he told me let's go for the Cebis.
Great, man.
And one point also, like maintenance is also good. Means whenever we call a customer service, they always give a prompt response, which we like so far. And hopefully in the future, whenever we need it, they will definitely help us.
Yeah, so we would be definitely over there. And as you know, it's a factory direct product, and the company will be always be there.
So that is the best part. Means the technology over is very good. Means it's directly shipped from the Sweden. So quality wise, we don't find any issue.
Great, man.
One feature I like about this lift is like whenever there's a power outage, so it can descend to the latest floor. Means If it is on the third floor, it will go to the second floor, and you will. I mean, you should not panic. You will be safe on that floor. So it's one of the best feature that I found in this lift.
Great to hear that, man. And also
And it is customizable
yeah, definitely we do give
because we have customized our lift. So we know means like suppose some there are basic lifts in CBS also. But if you want to customize according to your house, according to your aesthetic, because like we have a black aesthetic in our house, black walls and over there, so we go for the black lift. So that's why it's complementing.
Yeah, and it's twinning too good with your warm white, right?
Yeah,
that's the best part.
And the stairs also is black. Stairs also have a black stone.
So that's the best part for me. Great. One more thing, what I was just thinking, it's also good that seeing from the maintenance part, you only need twice a maintenance of a year. So it's like you are always enjoying your private space or everything. You don't need to be worried about that. That technician need to visit every month, and then you will be just get.
So far, we haven't found any issue. But like services there, of course, you have to maintain your lift every year. So means like 6 months you can call a person. So it is safe from that point of view.
Definitely. So thanks a lot for your time and your valuable feedback. And is there any more suggestion you would like to give to the company or our team where you are thinking that there needs to be some improvement required?
Okay, keep doing the good work. That's it.
Thanks a lot, man.
Because people appreciate the good quality, good design. They are not hesitating to pay the money. Means nowadays people not hesitating to pay a big amount, but they want a good quality value for money. So, but in CBS Lit, I think they were getting the value for money.
So thanks a lot, man, for all of your time and your feedback.